Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to sew a slip mask in Scrunchie. Let's sew. To make the slip marks, I'll be using these materials. I have a satin fabric, a cotton fabric and felt. I also have some elastic and the pattern for the slip mask. I'll be placing my pattern on each of the fabric pieces and cutting it out. Cut this strip of fabric measuring 15 inch by 1 inch, and this will be the casing for my elastic. So I'll sew it, insert my elastic before attaching it to the slip mask. So I'll just turn it, I'll just fold it right sides together and sew at the very edge. Turn it to the outside. So attach my elastic to it, to the right side. And the other side as well. Next, I'll place it with the wrong side together to the felt fabric. Then I'll put my satin fabric right sides together with the front of the slip mask. So I'll line up my edges and sew round, then flip it to the right side. I'll be leaving a gap at the top. So this is what I'll use to turn the pieces to the outside. Then I'll just play it all around. Use the gap to turn it to the right side. I'll go ahead and iron this now. I'll be making a matching scrunchie for the slip marks. And I have a piece of fabric, the same fabric I use for the front part of the slip marks. I have it measures 18 inches by 4.5 inches. So I'm going to fold it into two right sides together. And I'll pin about 2 inches away from the edge. I'll repeat for the same for the other side. I'll repeat the same for the other side. So I'll pin 2 inches away from the edge. So I'll take it to my sewing machine and just sew between these two marks. Do it this way. So I finished sewing and I've pressed my seams open. I'll turn the fabric to the right sides. So I'll now take the two ends and place them right sides facing, batching up all the raw edges. Now apply a pin to them. So I'm going to sew it together, the two edges, right sides facing. So when you pull it apart, it's going to leave a gap in between the fabric. I'll trim off my threads. I'll go ahead and iron this. First my scrunchie. Next I'll be putting in my elastic, which measures 10 inches. So I'll put a pin on the end. I'll tie the ends of the elastic. So after tying up the elastic band, I'll just close up my gap. I'll use my sewing machine, or you can hand sew it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again next time. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.